Welcome to the Password Setup Guide. This video will help you go through the installation process. First, use the name of your company to create your password URL. This will be the address where you'll sign in. I bet you will have an amazing one. Then, select the region closest to you for the deployment. You can also share error logs and analytics with us, but that is entirely up to you. We need your Google Workspace customer ID for multi-domain support. Simply go to the Google Admin Console, find your customer ID in the account settings, copy it from there, and then go back to the setup guide. And enter it here so that we get to know it. Next, provide your Google Workspace admin email. Head to the user section to find your admin. If you're not sure who the admin is, try accessing admin.google.com, and anyone who can access that page is an admin. Then paste the email into the setup guide. Great job! Let's go ahead and create the Google Cloud project. Click on the address here, and on the main page, click on the select box next to the Google Cloud logo. Then choose New Project at the top right corner of the New dialog window. Now fill in the name of your project. Just copy and paste from here. Leave the location and organization as it is and click Create. Project creation can take some time. You will get a notification of success on the top panel when completed. After that, switch to the newly created project. Now we need access for our installation account. Don't worry, we won't see any of your data. We will just install Passwd and then delete our access afterwards. Simply fill in the email install@passwd.team and assign it the owner role. This will help us set up your project. Let's go. Next, let's head to the billing setup. We're almost done, no worries. You'll need to create a new billing account for your Passwd project. Simply click on Billing in the menu. You might also be eligible for a free trial. Click on the Upgrade button in the top menu to enable automatic payment after the trial expires. This ensures your account remains paid and services are not suspended once the free trial budget runs out. Now, let's link the billing account with the project. We're almost done. Just double-check if all the data you see is correct. If everything looks good, simply click on Complete, and the first part is done. We'll begin installing Passwd as soon as possible, and we'll keep you updated via email. See you soon!